Why are you guys celebrating Ramadan? Come, you don't.
It's not that we are celebrating it, it's already inside the Quran. You know, inside Bible, anything that you put inside of for you, like should do it.
Why is Ramadan being celebrated?
Ramadan is a holy month in the Islamic tradition, which most of Muslims tend to keep holy as much as possible. So I've decided to ask them why most of them are actually going to be celebrating the Ramadan, and since most of them are giving a kind of a negative response to the question, I've decided to give an answer to the question myself.
So the month of Ramadan is known to be the month which the Holy Quran was revealed to the Muslim, and a clear proof of guidance for the Muslim. So Prophet Muhammad was known to be the founder of Islam and the proclaimer of the Quran. So he spent his entire year in Saudi Arabia. So the Muslims believe that the Quran was actually given to their prophet verbally from God. That was given to Prophet Muhammad from an angel, Gabriel. Gradually over a year of 23 years. Islamically, month of Ramadan is just a month in which the Muslim use as a means of remembrance of how the Quran was revealed to their Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The month is just a month in which they make use of in order to renew their spiritual life and draw themselves nearer to God. Ramadan is marked with a major celebration known as the Feast of the Breaking.